Okay, here we go. Plan view of the kitchen. So I've bumped these out 4 inches. This is the spice pull-out, tray divider or cookie sheets, drawer stacks, a blind corner unit. So this cabinet goes all the way to the back there. There's not enough room for a Lazy Susan. They have two 36-inch wide fridges here, microwave on a little shelf right here, and they're just doing a little countertop microwave. I've balanced these out, so these doors, how many are here? 6. These are even, and these are even. Well, that one's a little bit wider, but just to make, because your eye is just drawn to the upper doors. You can't get the bottom and the upper balanced out just because of the depth, this 24-inch base depth and the 12-inch upper depth. I put a cabinet here. I just think it looks better with that there. I'll go back and forth with you on that, but that's what I've done for now. On this base cabinet here, we have, if I can zoom in a little bit. So that didn't come out far enough, but a leg that comes out, so there'll be a little alcove, and we can sink this toe kick back in and do an arched piece here. That's fine. Drawer stack, and you can see I snuck a drawer in right here. This is 72 inches tall because they wanted a varying height. So it's about a foot taller than these across here. The cooktop and the sink right here. All right, this cabinet here, they have a wall. This is the front door right about here, and the powder room is right here. You'll see that next. But there's a, I should have drawn it, but there's a wall that's at a 45 here, so they just want this base of that cabinet and the wall just to continue on. But these are all glass, exposed interiors with an obscured or frosted glass there. And I don't know, that's going to be lit. They want lights in there. If they're putting drinks in there or not, I don't know. I should have asked. Okay, kitchen. That's what I've got. The powder room, 24 inches tall, 6 inches, 6 inches, a foot off the floor. Pretty straightforward. The hall bathroom, or excuse me, hall storage cabinets. There's a hallway here, go to the right, and then the master bedroom's back here. Again, something just pretty straightforward. What you see here. And if you need to take a look at this, I'm sure that's fine. Meaning on the job physically. The master bedroom dresser, 96 inches tall. This is the bedroom space here. That linen cabinet I showed you is right about here. Walk down the hallway, turn right, and then this is to the left as you walk in. Drawer stack. This is going to be their dresser. Drawer stack, upper, adjustable shelves, and then an ironing board here. So he wasn't sure which way he wanted the door to open, but there's a built-in ironing board here. But I think it's better having two 12-inch wide doors that don't open up and stick out so far. The Jack and Jill bathroom, vanity, sink, drawer stack. Master vanity. There's a big soaker tub right here. Drawer stack, 24-inch wide vanity, drawer stack, yada yada. Above the John, a upper cabinet, 120 inch or 10-foot ceilings, and a closet. You're back in closet mode again. 90 inches, 120 inches, no, 144 inches here. So these are each about 3 feet. The doorway right here. So we'll look at this wall. They didn't ask for this, but just to break it up, I put some drawers in there. The back wall for shoes. 9 and 15/16 space in there. And then the right is just a mirror image of the other side. He had asked for what they currently have is at an angled cabinet here for shoes, and they wanted an angle cabinet here. But they just burn up so much space doing those 45-degree angles. So I'll show them this. I really don't want to do that, but if they twist my arm, of course I'll do it. But it's an inefficient use of space. So take a look at this. So I think that's everything. Yep. So let me know what you think of this. You can have this video to look at and let me know, and we can get back together and go over it. All right. Thank you.